Welcome children to your another session of English literature. In the previous video, we have done the explanation of part 1 and part 2 of chapter 4 Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. In this video, I am continuing with the same explanation part of part 3. So let's start the explanation of part 3 of chapter Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. When Bipin Babu called Dinesh Mukherjee to confirm about the Ranchi trip and got the reply in yes, he became very upset. He put down the phone receiver in very bad mood and sat down there only. He felt himself unable to do anything in the office after that. Though he had been working in the office since last 25 years and was known as a very hardworking man and very responsible person. But because of his bad mood and upset-mindedness, he left the office that day at 2:30 only. About 7:30, when he was at his home, one of his old friend named Chunilal came to see him. He was suffering and facing lots of problems that day because of his hard luck. He was not having any job during those days and was expecting some help from Bipin Babu. Though Bipin Babu had already refused him for any kind of help and was not willing to meet him that day also, but hurriedly he came down all of a sudden to see Chunilal as he remembered something. He came down and asked Chunilal about the Ranchi trip in 1958. Chunilal was very shocked and was staring at Bipin Babu. And then he said, "Of course, you had gone there in 1958. And you know, at that time I was working in a travel agency and therefore I only booked ticket for you for Ranchi. And that was also only I who see you off at railway station. What happened, Bipin Babu? You were always having very good memory and you also known for your sharp memory only." Bipin Babu replied that might be because of heavy workload in office, he had been forgetting things and he would consult a specialist soon. Bipin Babu went to a young physician named Dr. Paresh Chanda and told his problem. After hearing the case of Bipin Babu, Dr. Paresh Chanda also became puzzled and said, "Your case is completely different from others and unusual." He suggested in fact Bipin Babu to go to Ranchi once again, as might the sight of place would help him in regaining the memory, and he also gave him a nerve tonic and a tranquilizer for a good sleep. Next evening only, Bipin Babu left the place for Ranchi as he wanted to find out the truth. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will continue with the explanation of part 4.